If Maxim is not performing as well as he should, you can diagnose the problem with a simple home checkup test. If Maxim fails any part of the checkup test, he may need a replacement part to run effectively again. Call us at 1-888-549-8847 for toll-free support in the US and Canada, or email us at support@bobsweep.com at any time. First, remove Maxim from his charging station. Make sure Maxim is not near stairs, objects, delicate items, furniture, baseboards, or ledges, as his sensors are not working normally while in checkup mode, and he can fall off edges and run into objects. To put Maxim in checkup mode, press and hold the Go, Charge, and Wi-Fi buttons simultaneously for a few seconds until the bot says,
Home Checkup Mode Activated.
Maxim is now in checkup mode. In this mode, Maxim's LiDAR sensor will rotate. Maxim's checkup includes 7 steps. Each step of the home checkup test verifies the performance of a different function on Maxim. Switch between different steps by pressing the Wi-Fi button. You'll hear Maxim announce the name of the tests you can perform in that step. Once the desired step is reached, initiate testing by pressing the Go button, and you'll hear
Begin test.
End each test by pressing the Go button again. And you'll hear Maxim say
Stop test.
Note that test steps do not automatically repeat. If you want to repeat a step, you must first press Go to stop the test. Then you may press Go again to repeat the test step. To exit the checkup mode at any time, press and hold the Go, Charge, and Wi-Fi buttons. You'll hear
Exiting home checkup mode.
And Maxim's LiDAR sensor will stop rotating. If Maxim is left idle for more than 1 minute during the home checkup test, he will automatically exit the test. As Maxim enters checkup mode, you will hear
Home Checkup Mode Activated. Battery.
Alternatively, you can press the Wi-Fi button a few times again until you hear
Battery.
Press the Go button and you'll hear
Begin test.
If the battery is sufficiently charged, all 5 indicators will blink slowly. The lower the battery charge, the fewer indicators blink on the screen from left to right. If only one indicator lights up, the battery's charge is below 10%. Allow Maxim to fully charge overnight. When manually placing Maxim on the charging station, make sure he is placed straight on the station ramp and pushed all the way in until the charging plates on the bot's back are in physical contact with the charging station's plates inside the station. The LED on the station turns off to confirm Maxim is charging, and the battery indicator on Maxim starts pulsing. Press Go to
Stop test.
Then press Wi-Fi to move to the next step. While Maxim is in checkup mode, press the Wi-Fi button until you hear him say
Edge and wall sensors.
Press the Go button to begin the test. To test the wall sensor, bring a white roll of paper towel near Maxim and place it near the right side of Maxim, covering the wall sensor area on his bumper. The trouble indicator starts flashing, and Maxim makes a series of beeps to confirm the wall sensor has been activated. Next, to test the edge sensors, lift Maxim about a foot off the floor. Make sure the sensors are not accidentally covered by your fingers. It's also recommended to remove Maxim's side brush to ensure the edge sensors are not obstructed. The left, back left, middle, and right edge sensors on Maxim each correspond with the Go, Charge, Mute, and Trouble indicators on the screen. These indicators start flashing, and Maxim makes a series of beeps when lifted off the floor in this test mode. Place Maxim back on a hard, flat surface, and the flashing will stop. Maxim announces,
Test successful.
Press the Go button to stop the test. Then move on to the next step. Press the Wi-Fi button until you hear
Charging station.
Place Maxim about a foot in front of the plugged-in charging station with his bumper facing away from the station. Then press Go to begin the test. Maxim will start to rotate 360 degrees counterclockwise as Maxim begins to rotate, and the charging station and bot sensors successfully communicate. The battery and Wi-Fi indicators on Maxim's screen start flashing, and he makes a series of beeps. Once done, All indicators shine solid to confirm all sensors are in good working condition, and Maxim announces.
Test successful.
Press the Go button to stop the test. Then move on to the next step. Press the Wi-Fi button until you hear.
Bumpers, Wi-Fi, and camera.
Then press Go to begin the test. In this step, once you begin the test, Maxim automatically tests his connection to Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi indicator will light up on the screen. To test the camera, place a white roll of paper towel in front of Maxim's camera, located in the middle of his bumper. Maxim beeps to confirm the camera is in good working condition. To test the bumper's touch sensors, place Maxim on a flat surface, then slowly press the left and right side of Maxim's bumper. The following indicators each correspond with one of the touch sensors and flash upon successful passing of each touch sensor test. To test the LiDAR's mini bumper, lightly press on the LiDAR cover. The mute indicator starts flashing on the screen, confirming the LiDAR mini bumper is in good condition. After all of the above are tested, all the indicators light up, and Maxim announces.
Test successful.
Once done, press the Go button to stop the test, then move on to the next step. Press the Wi-Fi button until you hear Maxim say.
Motors.
Lift Maxim off the floor or hold him tight to secure his position, as he will move with force in this step. When ready, press Go to begin the test. The vacuum motor will pulse and blow air from the right rear vent for a few seconds. Then it will stop. The mute indicator will light up on the screen to confirm the vacuum motor is working fine. At the same time, the left and right wheels, main and side brushes, and the left and right mops will begin rotating to confirm that their motors are functioning properly. The spin mops repeatedly raise and lower as part of the test, and the edge-reach arms of the right mop and right side brush extend out and back in a few times to confirm the arms are working. The motors stop after 30 seconds. Press the Go button to stop the test, then move on to the next step. Press the Wi-Fi button until you hear.
LiDAR, charging, and self-empty.
Place Maxim on his plugged-in charging station and push him all the way in until the charging plates on Maxim's back connect with the station's charging plates, and the LED light on the station turns off. Press Go. Maxim says.
Begin test.
And the self-empty process begins. Go and trouble indicators start flashing on the screen to confirm the charging station self-emptying is in good working order. Remove Maxim from the charging station. Place him against a white wall and slowly rotate him with your hand. As each of the LiDAR's 3 directions detect the wall, the mute indicator will flash to confirm the LiDAR is in good working condition. Press the Go button to stop the test. Press the Wi-Fi button again, and you will hear Maxim say.
Reset device.
Note that this is a hard reset of all of Maxim's data and will erase any information stored on the device. This includes all existing map data, scheduling data, and customized cleaning data. To avoid accidental erasing of Maxim's data, use this step in isolation only. Watch Maxim's hard reset video for more information. The home checkup test is now complete. Press the Go, charge, and Wi-Fi buttons together again. You'll hear.
Exiting home checkup mode.
And Maxim's LiDAR sensor will stop rotating. If Maxim completes the checkup test without any issues, then his internal parts are working properly. For further assistance with the home checkup test, please contact our helpful support team.